my biggest days, 1.4k almost. That's beautiful, bro. Yo man, good morning. So it's currently Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. So it's like 9 a.m. in my country's time. And I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna hit some back, arms, maybe a little bit deadlifts. Just calm little AM training session, and then I'm gonna hit the AM trading session when I come back home. Feel me? So the New York Stock Exchange will open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I have to understand 9:30 a.m. Eastern time is actually a little bit later in my country's time, but it doesn't really matter. But I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna go live trade with my students in the Discord, and then I'll update you. But I'm gonna take my camera into the gym. Not gonna record much probably, but gonna take that there. And yeah, man, the markets are growing crazy because of the conflict in Middle East. So not conflict, like there was actually some shit going on, a lot of shit going on yesterday. So it makes sense that the stocks are gonna act up because of that. But yeah, I'll go to the gym now. And yeah. Alright, so I just finished up the live trading call because I have to take my dog out. My dog is literally crying out there because he has to take a pee. He has to pee. But I took this trade currently up. I had like a mini partial in here. This is a break-even area. I sent out to the signal chat and everything. But because we were in the call almost for like 1.5 hours. So let's see. But I'm gonna take my dog out now and I'll update you. Yo man, one of my biggest days, 1.4k almost. That's beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Everything was sent out here as well. Look at this. Oh my days. And you see the minus 540, minus 574, right? That was from the first trade that we took. But you see the first one, right? Mini partial. And then that was almost a break even, but it's like the first two is a one trade, and this is the second trade. That's just beautiful. Boom, and just like that, one of my biggest days so far. That's just amazing to see. And yeah, it's only October 2nd, which is crazy because we're so up already. But yeah, man, that was just beautiful. And that's just the power of risk management, knowing when to risk more or knowing when to risk less, risk-reward ratio, and everything, taking the best trades. Beautiful. Everything was live traded with the students. If you want to live trade with me every single day, make money while learning, it should be the first link in the description. But yeah, now I'm gonna actually take my dog out because I had to do some things, and then I come back and see, oh, TP hit. But yeah, man, everything was live traded. And I also update the signal chat for the people who didn't make it to the call. But yeah, normally I live trade till the end of the session, because until the TP hits. But today the price action was just moving really slowly, but in a nice trend. But yeah, man, that's just beautiful. Now I'm gonna take my dog out. Yeah. So man, I'm out here. I go lie, man, that was a crazy trade. I risk a little bit more because it was like A++ setup, man. So that's solid. Okay, so I came home, and I gotta be totally 100% honest with you. It's currently 11 p.m. in my country's time. I know you may wonder, like, what the hell is going on? Didn't you just finish up live trading? I know, that is absolutely true, technically, because I actually skipped this YouTube video a little bit, okay? I skipped this a little bit, okay? I skipped recording because there was some relatives, like my cousins. We all met up at this place, like say what's up to my cousins, say what's up to my auntie, my cousins. But yeah, I took the trade maybe a couple of hours ago, okay, hours ago. But yeah, man, today was one of my biggest day trading day. and I'm truly proud of that. Again, this is not to flex on you, but that's crazy, okay? That's freaking crazy, okay? And I'm here to talk, okay? Because trading is one thing. When you understand it, it is life changing. Now, look, man, obviously, I'm not saying that this was easy. I'm not saying that, this was the easiest thing. But whatever I have to go through, it was all worth it, okay? If you don't know who am I? I've been day trading for 3.5 years. I'm a day trader. Took me 2 years of losing. Obviously, if I would have learned the right knowledge in the beginning, I would have been profitable much, much more faster and earlier. But later I got the knowledge, and later I got got my psychology intact, got everything aligned, and then later it started to click in. But it wasn't easy, okay? I was flipping burgers because I really wanted it, okay? But I got the right knowledge, got the wisdom, and now I'm in the position where I can make just decisions in the markets using my logic, not my emotions. And now I make a good money for my age. And again, it's not to flex on it, but I'm here to always show the reality. I show my losses. I always show my losses. I always show my break-even trades. I always show my winners. Why? Because I show my reality. Okay, I'm 17 years old. You have to understand. Do you comprehend? Like, again, it's not to flex on you, but it is absolutely true. It is absolutely real. I'm 17. Okay? If I can do it, you can do it, man. It works. Okay? Everybody can start it for free. Day trading. Everybody can get the knowledge for free. But not everybody is willing to go through what I went through, okay? And I'm not that much different, okay? And I'm just a kid who was determined. I was focused. I am focused still. And I'm a lifelong student, okay? I never stop learning. I'm reading books. I ordered new books a couple of weeks ago. I'm just here to show the reality that it works. Documenting my life that it works. Day trading works. And I came to YouTube on a mission to just say fuck all these fucking gurus. Fuck these gurus, man. Like, these gurus ain't nothing, bro. You see these gurus, oh, today I'm turning $100 into $1 million. Doesn't work like that. I'm here to show you the reality, what it takes, okay? It took me 2 years of losing, but obviously it would have been much, much more easier if I would have gotten the right knowledge. And now I can bring you the right knowledge completely for free. Okay, obviously in this video I'm not teaching the strategy, but if you want to learn the strategy for free, it should be the first link in the description. But you understand? That is just insane. What, it was like 1.4k today? That's nuts. Okay, after the fees, a little bit less. But that's what I'm showing, okay? I'm showing my losses, but I also show that my losses are smaller than the winners. You still literally saw that. You still literally saw that there, okay? That's what you gotta do, okay? And I hope you take this serious, okay? Hope you take, if you are a day trader, take it seriously, man. Believe in yourself. You're not just, oh, I'm gonna get into the markets and just take a trade. No. It's more than that. It's more than a trade. Okay? You have to understand, why do those candle moves? You have to understand that those candles, they're not just candles in the screen. It's all about psychology as well. Because, yeah, trading psychology, but you have to understand, you see a candle hitting an area, it's psychology because rest of the world is also seeing that. Rest of the world is reacting to that. And obviously all the investors, it's a big psychology game. Okay? Trading is it's just psychology game, okay? And you have to understand, you're competing against yourself. If you cannot master yourself, you cannot master trading, okay? If you cannot master yourself, you simply won't make it in trading. It all starts in here and in here, okay? You gotta believe it, so do the effort, and you gotta master yourself. Master every single aspect of your life, okay? That's where it all begins. Alright? So that's what's up. If you enjoyed this video, if you found this video valuable, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you, bro. I believe in you, and as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.